White clover, often seen as a common lawnweed, is a hidden gem in the world of edible plants and natural remedies. This unassuming little flower packs a punch when it comes to nutrition and health benefits. First off, let's talk about its edibility. White clover leaves and flowers are not just pretty to look at, they're also completely edible. The leaves have a mild, slightly sweet flavor, making them a great addition to salads, smoothies, or even as a garnish on your favorite dishes. The flowers can be used to make a delightful tea or added to anything for a pop of color and a hint of sweetness. But what makes white clover stand out is its nutritional profile. It's rich in vitamins A and C, calcium, and protein. Just imagine adding a handful of these nutrient-packed leaves to your daily meals. Not only does it enhance the flavor, but it also boosts the nutritional value. Now, let's dive into its medicinal properties. White clover has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help combat various ailments. Some people use it to support respiratory health, as it may help soothe coughs and clear congestion. Additionally, white clover is believed to have blood-thinning properties, which can be beneficial for cardiovascular health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it for medicinal purposes, especially for those on blood-thinning medications. For those interested in herbal remedies, white clover can be made into a tincture or infused oil. These preparations can be used topically for skin irritations or taken internally for their health benefits. Harvesting white clover is easy and can be done right from your backyard or local park. Just make sure to collect it from areas free of pesticides and chemicals. The best time to gather clover is when the flowers are in full bloom, as this is when they are most flavorful and nutritious. When preparing white clover, it's essential to wash it thoroughly to remove any dirt or insects. The leaves can be eaten raw or cooked, while the flowers can be used fresh or dried. Incorporating white clover into meals is simple. Toss some leaves into a salad for added crunch, blend them into a smoothie for a nutrient boost, or steep the flowers in hot water for a refreshing tea. The possibilities are endless. For those looking to explore the world of foraging, white clover is an excellent starting point. It's abundant, easy to identify, and offers numerous culinary and health benefits. Plus, foraging can be a fun and rewarding way to connect with nature and learn about the plants that grow around us. White clover is more than just a weed. It's a versatile edible plant and a valuable medicinal herb. With its rich nutritional profile and various health benefits, it deserves a place in every garden and kitchen. So next time you see white clover growing, don't overlook it. Embrace its potential and enjoy all the delicious and healthful ways it can enhance your life. Whether it's adding a sprinkle of clover leaves to a dish or brewing a soothing cup of clover tea, this humble plant can make a significant impact on both health and flavor. So, get out there, start foraging, and discover the wonders of white clover. With its delightful taste and impressive health benefits, white clover is a true treasure waiting to be explored. So why not give it a try? The next time you're in the garden or taking a stroll, keep an eye out for those little white flowers and enjoy the bounty they offer. Incorporating white clover into daily life is not just about nutrition. It's about embracing the natural world and all the gifts it has to offer. So, let's celebrate this incredible plant and all the ways it can enrich our lives, one leaf at a time. Whether used in cooking, as a hot bevy, or for its medicinal properties, white clover is a fantastic addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. Plus, it's free food you can find in abundance, probably in your own yard. Explore, enjoy, and let the journey of discovering white clover begin. It's time to elevate this humble weed into a star ingredient in the kitchen and make it a powerful ally in your wellness routine. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start enjoying the benefits of white clover today.